What's the meaning of conceive? Conceive. Conceive.
Conceive. Conceive. The verb conceive means to form a mental image or idea of something, to imagine or comprehend something. The result of conceiving can range from creative works such as art, literature, and music, to technological innovations and scientific discoveries. It can also refer to the act of conceiving a child, which results in pregnancy. Overall, to conceive is to bring something into being through the power of the mind, whether it be an idea, a physical creation, or new life.